Today I'm going to show you how to do a Masterscoot for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a Masterscoot, hopefully this video can help. Before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your hands wiped down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you do this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, kind of just looking at the ground in front of you. You're going to wind your arms up slightly, look over your shoulder at the ground behind you. At the same time, you want to start bringing those hands around and lifting your cheat leg up. Jump off your other leg and then finish the move landing in a backside stance. Why are you laughing? Don't forget, you can also do this move with a follow through at the end of it. You can also add a spin in front of it, or you can do a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get used to all of them because we are going to be doing them later on in combinations. When you do this move, really focus on whipping your body to the side to get your hands to the ground as fast as you can. Also, this move is very, very awkward to do, so just take your time with it. If you need to cheat and turn a little bit and start off more in like an inside stance and then go, that's totally fine as well. And as always for this move, make sure your arms are nice and firm, that you're pushing through your shoulders when you put your hands on the ground. That way you don't hurt your arms at all. Oh yeah, and make sure that you're spotting the ground the entire time you're doing this move. A good prereq for this move would definitely be a back scoot, so if you don't have that, I recommend you get it. You can click right there for that tutorial. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your support. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a pop hand swipe, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.
Upraiz.